I believe the most profound possible contribution that science can make to humanity will be to contribute to the possible detection of evidence of life on Mars, perhaps in fossil form or perhaps still existing somewhere under the surface. As living systems, we of course need a constant input of resources to maintain the non-equilibrium state that's synonymous with living. But if we could boil down all of our problems on Earth into a single statement, I think that would be poor resource utilization. Our main challenge here on Earth is to use resources more efficiently. And yes, we're talking about abundance, yes, we're talking about exponential possibilities. But at the end of the day, we have to acknowledge that we're living in a finite, closed system. The only resource streaming in is sunlight. For the rest part, we have to make do with the resources that we have here on Earth. There are various mining sites on the planet Earth that are in fact asteroids that have impacted the surface of our Earth, and these are the resources we've been harnessing. And arguably, it may be easier to go and extract them from space than to disrupt the unique and beautiful biosphere that we find here on Earth. But there's another exponential phenomenon besides technology, and that's population growth. So each dot on this map represents a dense population of 1 million people, and you can see how the population has been rising. Interested to see the geographical distribution. And I think more and more, we can solve the problem of having finite resources and dividing them between an exponentially growing population. How are we going to do that? We're going to have to harness technology. We're going to have to all put our minds together and make sure that each and every decision that we make in our lifetime, because we are the drivers of this technological revolution. We are not riding the wave of technological revolution. We are the creators of technology. And if we have a purpose towards making people, ourselves, and all of the people around us lives better, I believe we can reach a sustainable future of which we can be proud. We want to create a sustainable future, but why? I think in the first place, we have to remember to be proudly human. And if that means considering what about it is that makes us proud, then that's a discussion that we need to have. I believe we are dreamers, we are explorers, and we will continue to explore, maybe on another planet, probably in our lifetimes, because for us humans, explorers, the allure of the unknown is always far more powerful than the comfort of the known. Thank you.